Exercise 1.
Cross arms push-up. This push-up variation emphasizes all three heads of the triceps, while also hitting the inner chest. Crossing the arms narrows your hand placement and increases elbow flexion demand, maximizing triceps load. Keep core tight, elbows tucked, and drive through the palms. Ideal for bodyweight training or burnout finishers that pump the arms without extra equipment.
Exercise 2.
Dumbbell Tate press. This exercise isolates the lateral and medial triceps heads by forcing the elbows outward, reducing chest involvement. Perform on a flat bench with dumbbells moving inward from a wide angle. Keep reps slow and avoid bouncing at the bottom. Perfect for targeting triceps thickness and locking out power in presses. Avoid using momentum to truly engage the arms.
Exercise 3.
EZ-Barbell incline triceps extension. The incline angle lengthens the triceps long head, increasing tension throughout the range of motion. Holding an EZ bar reduces wrist strain while focusing load overhead. Keep upper arm stationary and drive through the triceps. Great for building the upper portion of the triceps and preventing shoulder dominance often seen in flat versions.
Exercise 4.
Dumbbell lying triceps extension. This classic movement targets all triceps heads with special focus on the long head. Lying down removes core and shoulder aid, allowing cleaner isolation. Keep elbows vertical and lower the dumbbells behind the head. Squeeze at full extension. Slow eccentrics increase muscle stress, making it ideal for size gains and controlled muscle overload.
Exercise 5.
Cable pushdown with rope. Maintains constant resistance on the triceps throughout the entire motion, activating all three heads. The rope allows a flare at the bottom for greater lateral head contraction. Keep your upper arms pinned and focus on squeezing at full lockout. Ideal for shaping endurance work and finishing sets with controlled high-rep burnouts.
Exercise 6.
Dumbbell standing one-arm extension. With an overhead path, this move targets the long head deeply, enhancing arm length and shape. Using one arm allows focus and corrects imbalances. Keep the elbow stationary and avoid using the shoulder or torso. Squeeze at full extension. Best performed with moderate weights and high control for isolated muscle building and improved arm symmetry.